In this short video, I'm going to show you a solution to the annoying problem of keeping a spring-loaded gate open when you're trying to move awkward items through it, like wheelbarrows. A couple of years ago, I put springs on all my gates so they would automatically close. That solved one problem, but it created a new one, stopping the gate from closing when I actually want it open. I think we've all had this happen. You drop the wheelbarrow, open the gate, and by the time you get back to the wheelbarrow, the gate has already closed. If you're like me, you've probably tried propping the gate open with a brick, a log, or a stick. These methods are ugly and cumbersome. You either have to leave that random brick or log there all the time, or go searching for one every time you want to keep the gate open. For my solution, I wanted something that's easy to install, rugged, and works universally with any gate. I also didn't want anything mounted to the gate itself or anything protruding from the gate that could stab me or scratch me as I walk past it or while I'm mowing the lawn. Finally, I wanted something I could 3D print so I could easily replicate it for all my gates. I searched around but couldn't find anything that met all of these requirements. I did find some concepts that use a lever sticking out from the gate that latches onto a post, then releases on the second push. I created a 3D model of one of these designs to show you how it works. I printed this out to demonstrate it. In this design, you mount a cantilever on the gate and set a short post in the ground behind it. Imagine my hand is the gate. As the gate swings open, it passes the post and the swivel catches on it. On the second push, the swivel releases and the gate closes. It works, but it has to be mounted on the gate, and that long protruding cantilever is guaranteed to jab you or eventually break off. I wanted a simpler solution, one that isn't mounted on the gate at all. My solution mounts on a piece of half-inch PVC pipe that you simply pound into the ground. By the way, I'm Tim, an electrical engineer who applies engineering principles to gardening. If you enjoy learning how science and engineering can be applied to gardening, please consider subscribing. I modeled my solution in CAD. It consists of a long, weighted cantilever that pivots on a PVC cap. The circular part at the bottom is a release pedal that closes the gate. Let's print it out and see how it works. Okay, I fully assembled it. I used M4 screws to assemble everything and mounted it on this PVC post. We'll take it outside and try it on a real gate in just a minute. I added M5 screws and nuts to the end of the cantilever to weigh it down. Okay, let me show you how this works. Let's pretend that this board is the gate. When the gate opens, it passes over the cantilever and latches. To release it, just press down on the foot pedal with your foot right here. And that closes the gate. Pretty cool, huh? I'm calling this the gate anchor. The design meets all of my design requirements. It's simple, rugged, works with any gate, installs in minutes, and doesn't mount to or protrude from the gate itself. And because it's 3D printed, I can easily make more whenever I need them. If you'd like to try this out yourself, I've posted the 3D printable files on Veggitronics.com. See the links in the description below. And if you don't have a 3D printer, no problem, we can ship you one. I'm curious what you think about this idea. Has this been a headache for you too? Let me know in the comments below. If you've made it this far, I guarantee you'll enjoy my other videos, and you might as well subscribe. And be sure to check out Veggitronics.com for more cool gardening gadgets and automation ideas. And if you want to see another cool gardening gadget that destroys common garden bugs, check out this video right here.